If you get to hospital and realise you haven't got what you need, it can be really stressful. There's that pain of asking your mum and dad to go home, pack more clothes for you, they don't know where anything is.
You often have a set time frame. They'll say, okay, you're coming in on Tuesday, you're gonna have the surgery Wednesday, you'll be in for a week recovery. So you kind of plan, okay, I'll need a week's worth of clothes. But what I've often found is they'll go, actually, you've come out, you're going into ICU and you're gonna be in for 3 weeks. So what I often do is I'll leave a second bag at home, packed with an extra couple of sets of clothes so my mum or my partner can go into my room and I'll go, right, this is where it is. Maybe give them a map.
I would definitely pack some comfy pyjamas. You will be in these most of the time.
I'd say dressing gown, obviously, because they just give you a gown and they don't cover your backside. I'd say second, slippers, because if you end up going to the loo, it's not nice walking on a cold floor, even in the socks.
I would also take your own pillow because you cannot sleep on those hospital beds.
This isn't a hotel that's going to give you mini shampoos. Make sure you bring your shampoo, your body wash, your sanitary items.
Baby wipes, deodorants, things like that, because sometimes you can't shower and that's not very nice. It's always important to take your medical information. That way it's a lot quicker when you actually get there.
I always carry all my medical details so that if someone comes up and is just taking my bloods and doesn't know why, I do.
It can be quite hard in there. The best thing to do is basically just to take things that you really enjoy doing.
Phone chargers, take a tablet if you want, if you're gonna get bored. Take a few books if you want to read.
Colouring books, because sometimes it's nice to sit there and colour. You don't need technology all the time.
If you get the chance to go to the ward before you actually stay there, it's always good to check they do have Wi-Fi, and it's also helpful to check visiting times. That way you can let your friends and family know when that is.
I'll bring a picture of my friends with me and I'll make sure I've got that kind of familiarity to make my little hospital bed a little bit more homely.